Welcome to Lee Hill Auto Service video series. We're going to talk about a heat shield today.
Alright, so we have heat shields for a reason on all vehicles today. You have a heat shield, which is this right here. And this heat shield keeps the heat off the fuel tank. As you can see, this heat shield's been very, very damaged. And it's almost pressing against the exhaust. And this exhaust gets extremely hot. That heat transfers from that heat shield against that fuel tank enough times, it could actually melt through the tank. And we all know what happens with heat and gasoline. Something we really don't want, correct? Right.